Hi, morning. We are ready. Is it dry? We can leave like that, but this is the base perfect, shiny and very smooth. If we do on this base, or we leave like that, or we no color, and we start with the 3D, and we put the stamp, the stick, maybe, and then after we cover it with the transparent epoxy, and then we get the final job. Okay, let's go. Okay, and then now we go. Now we're done with the stick. Make sure no bubble, very perfect. They stick very smooth. You see on the base, on the floor. Okay, and then now the last measure, we put the epoxy like a glass. Okay, go. Okay, it's like very. And then the catalizzatore. 180 gradi. The two components, you see, like the first quality, epoxy resin. Two components, they come together. They come together. You see, very transparent. C'è botto, no? And then now, very smooth. We make a little bit warm. So this open the We are in winter time. We use this demo for the summertime. We're missing the summertime. Okay? Thank you and keep in touch.